We all know toothpaste can remove stains, restores, and protects enamel of your teeth. And toothpaste's cleaning capabilities work wonders on many things. Besides our teeth with same ingredients. Before we continue, please subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button below to notify you for upcoming video. Thank you. That help polish our pearly whites can also soothe some common ailments, make household items sparkle, and even get rid of stains and pungent smells. Try out these 15 tricks with a white, non-gel toothpaste, and watch that cavity-fighting, breath-freshening tube of wonder work its magic. Number 1. Toothpaste for scratches and smudges. This remedy has been used with mixed success rates, but it seems to work fairly well on shallow scratches and smudges. Apply a thin coating of toothpaste to the disc, and gently rub on disc. Then rinse and clean nicely. Number 2. Tidy up piano keys before tickling them. Piano keys retain oil from the skin, which then attracts dust and dirt. Clean away grime gently with a damp, lint-free cloth and toothpaste. After rubbing in the toothpaste, wipe the keys clean with a second lint-free cloth. Number 3. Deodorize baby bottles. A good cleaning with some toothpaste and a bottle scrubber will clean away residue and deodorize. Always make sure to rinse well. Number 4. Remove the burned crust on irons. For those of you who still use an iron, you may find that after time, the plate of the iron develops a burned crust. Gentle grinds away the toothpaste in this rusty-looking layer. Number 5. Remove crayon stains. Rub a damp cloth with toothpaste gently on the marked-up wall, and watch the Crayola marks disappear. Number 6. Make silver jewelry and other silver pieces sparkle. Rub toothpaste onto jewelry and leave overnight. Wipe clean with a soft cloth in the morning. Make diamonds shine by giving them a gentle scrub, using toothpaste and toothbrush and a little water. Rinse thoroughly to remove all traces of toothpaste. Do not use this method on pearls, as it will damage their finish. Number 7. Defog goggles. Scuba divers, swimmers, and triathletes may already know about this handy little trick. Rub a small spot of toothpaste into each lens of your goggles. Then, rinse thoroughly, and voila! There'll be no need to ever buy expensive defogger gels again. Avoid rubbing too vigorously, as the abrasive ingredients in toothpaste could scratch the lenses. Number 8. Soothe a stinging burn. For minor burns that do not involve an open wound, toothpaste can deliver temporary cooling relief. Apply it delicately to the affected area immediately. After a burn develops, it temporarily relieves the sting and prevents the wound from weeping or open wounds. Number 9. Decrease the size of a facial blemish. Apply a tiny dot of toothpaste to the affected area at night before bed. Then wash it off in the morning. The blemishes slowly fading off, and you will feel more clearer skin. Number 10. Clean up your fingernails. Our teeth are made of enamel, and toothpaste is good for them, so it stands to reason that toothpaste would also be good for our fingernails. For cleaner, shinier, and stronger nails, simply scrub the underneath and tops of fingernails with a toothbrush and toothpaste. Number 11. Keep hair in place. Gel toothpastes contain the same water-soluble polymers that many hair gels are made of. If you are looking to style and hold an extreme hair creation, try gel toothpaste as your go-to product if you are out of regular hair gel. This is also a great trick for making baby barrettes stay in place. Number 12. Scrub away stinky smells of garlic, fish, onion, and other pungent foods. Can permeate the skin cells on our hands. Scrubbing hands and fingertips briefly with toothpaste removes all traces of smelly odors. Number 13. Remove stains. Toothpaste can make tough stains on both clothing and carpets disappear. For clothes, apply toothpaste directly to the stain, and rub briskly, until the spot is gone, then wash as usual. Note that using a whitening toothpaste on colors can sometimes bleach the fabric. For carpet stains, apply toothpaste to the stain, and scrub it with an abrasive brush, then rinse immediately. Number 14. Spruce up dirty shoes. This tactic works great on running shoes or scuffed-up leather shoes. As with carpet stains, apply toothpaste directly to the dirty, or scuffed area, then scrub with a brush and wipe clean. Number 15. Relieve irritation from bug bites, sores, and blisters. These skin irritations all tend to weep and, in the case of bug bites, often itch. Apply a drop of toothpaste to a bug bite or insect sting to stop the itching and decrease any swelling. When applied to sores or blisters, it dries them up, thus allowing the wound to heal faster. It's best when used overnight. Have you tried these remedies? Please give us a thumbs up and share us your experience on comments down below. And please subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button below to notify you for upcoming video. Thank you.